Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome back to a new big XXL shawl tutorial. I think I showed you this tutorial about a couple weeks ago. We have these nice little shells here. In theory, really easy. We kind of work in different rows here, and yeah, you can see this here. I used 2 different threads at the same time. And honestly, this is really quick. How exactly I did this, I'm gonna show you now. So yeah, have fun guys. All right, so this is the color tweed wool or yarn, 100 grams, 163 meters. I'm gonna use 2 balls of yarn here at the same time. I bought this for €3 and it's meant for size 5 to 6 crocheting hooks. And so I'm gonna use 2 balls of yarn here at the same time with my size 12 crocheting hook. Yes, and so let's see. So the yarn here is kind of like a tan color, a cream color. And then we have these sprinkles. Every now and then they are like very bright colored. Sometimes they're like more pastel-y. But yes, so I actually already pulled out the middle of both balls of yarn. And I'm just gonna kind of put it to the side because it looks a little messy. And yeah, this is already a little sorted, so these are both the beginnings. And yeah, let's get started. So this is my size 12 crocheting hook. And we will start here with chain stitches. We'll do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and into the first one we go in and we will do a double crochet. Then we take a chain stitch and then do 2 more double crochets into the same stitch, into the very first stitch still. Okay, so now we have 3 double crochets before we did the chain stitches. And yeah, so that's kind of the structure we were creating here. So we have 3 double crochets and the chain stitches on the right. And then, yeah, that's kind of just a 3 structure. All right, let's continue. Next row. We will start again with 3 chain stitches for height. And then we turn it around. And then I will go in here into the very first stitch. And we'll do a double crochet, a chain stitch, and 2 more double crochets. Everything into the same first stitch. So here again, the structure of 4 with the chain stitch in the middle. Then we go ahead and go into or around the chain stitch of the row before and do a single crochet. And here we have left over the chain stitches from the very beginning and the double crochet. So I'm just going to go around the chain stitches and I will do another 2 double crochets. One more chain stitch and 2 more double crochets. All right, already looks really nice and you can see how quickly this is growing. I'm going to kind of pull it even here a little. So what did we do? We started with 2 of these packs of 4. So here on the right with the chain stitches, then we have 3 double crochets with a chain stitch, then a single crochet around the chain stitch of the row before, and here another pack of 4. All right, now let's continue with the next row. I'm going to take a little more wool here. And yes, we continue. So we will start again with 3 chain stitches. Then we turn it all around and we go back into the first stitch. We do 1 double crochet, a chain stitch, and 2 more double crochets. And that's how we will start every single row from here on out. Okay, first pack of 4 is done. Then we have the chain stitch from below, in between the double crochets of the row before. And here we will do a single crochet. And then we will continue with the single crochet of the row before. And here we will add another pack of 4. So I go into the single stitch, into the single crochet of the row before, and do a double crochet, another double crochet, a chain stitch, and another 2 double crochets. Okay, that's done. As you can see, this is growing really, really fast. So we have 2 packs of 4s right now for this row. And we'll continue. Here we will do, again, a single crochet around the chain stitches, around the chain stitch of the row before. And then we will obviously finish off again here with another pack of 4 around the chain stitches of the row before. All right. We obviously want to do double crochets, not half double crochets here. All right. And here another 2 double crochets. All right, first one. And the second one. And then we have a nice overview here what we have done so far. And yeah, what it looks like. So this is row number 3 is done. And so it's already like really, really big. It's nice and loose, nice and airy. But it still has, yeah, this really nice structure, I think. And we obviously have like repetition here with these arcs or with these shells. This is where I'm going to go in next. And then here at the corners, we always have, yeah, another pack of 4. So we will have 2 on the outside, then here 2. So we'll have 4 in the next row. And so, yeah, depending on the number of rows, we have the same number of these arcs. And yeah, obviously here I'm going to go around the arcs here of the row before. And then in these chain stitches here, we will do the new single crochets. I'm going to continue doing this here and I'll give you an update in a little bit. Alright guys, so here is my update for you. As you can see, I progressed quite a bit more. So I have a nice big arc already, or yeah, triangle, whatever you want to call it. So we always have these packs of 4 that are made up of these, of the double crochets. And then the single crochets here, there's another 4. And then they always kind of switch off. And because these packs of 4 are in the single crochets of the row before, it's kind of like compact. There's no big openings or anything like that because of them. And so, if I were to go around here, the packs of 4, it kind of gets looser and it gets stretched a little more. But when we do it like this, we have it nice and compact and have these nice like arc shapes. So yeah, really super, super cute. I'm going to obviously continue until the balls of yarn are done. I have a little bit more to go. And then I'll see you then. Okay guys, so we're almost at the end of the yarn. I have a little bit left here. It's obviously not going to be enough anymore, unfortunately, for the next row. But I'm going to save them, obviously, to make maybe some decor or something like that, maybe little hearts. But yeah, I'm going to put them aside. And here, this is the corner where I'm at currently. So this is obviously one of the corners, an edge. And let's see what it looks like right now. So yeah, this is one of the peaks, one of the corners. And so I'm going to take this off and take my scissor and just cut this off. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and hide these 2 thread ends. The balls of yarn actually weren't that big, but obviously because I was crocheting with it double, obviously we don't have a lot of work to do to hide the threads here. And here obviously at the beginning. So yeah, we only have 2 threads to hide, nothing else that we would have obviously had if we had used a smaller crocheting hook, for example. But the shawl is about 1.50 meters at the longest point. So if you measure this whole way over, it has kind of like a arc shape, almost like a triangle here. And then here this, the big arc. It's really nice and cozy. And as you can see, it's really nice and like tight, not in a bad way, but yeah, it's definitely nice and warming. And yeah, so we always have these little centers here where the arcs kind of come out of. And yeah, obviously just great for winter. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then I will hopefully see you here back for the next video. See you here at DIY Ideas. Bye!